It's done. Wow, how quick was it? Hi guys, this is Smoky and today's video is all about Smoky eye. Don't waste your time. Watch the whole video and keep noting it down. Alright, so I'm using this product, the clay pot from Tarte Cosmetics. You can actually use, if you don't have this brand, you can use the MAC ones, you can use the Inglot paint pots, or there's so many other brands which are there in the market. You can just get any of them. And what I'm doing is, this is a dual brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It comes with the the palette. For the smoky eyes, you can actually go for any of the color also if you want. Stretch the eye socket, fill the color. As I said, this brush is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this kind of brush, the shadow brush, comes in every kit. Not the dual one, but you can use two brushes for that. So you see how easy it is. And now from the other side, where there's no color, I'm just gonna go over it, over the crease, and kind of blend it. Not blending the whole color. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink color to it, like on top the crease, since I'm wearing pink. It's done. Wow, how quick was it? So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I've taken the product once again, and you see I am just staying inside the socket. So when I open the eyes, it's not going on top. I'm just spreading this color inside the socket, all over, and then here, as I did earlier, using my blush for the pink color, if you don't have a pink color in your palette. And whatever the product is left, just go over with that. And you see the same brush, I haven't really taken the product again, going under to make the eyes pop out. And when you use this kind of product, not the powdered ones, the shadows, it's like you get no fallout, you see. And on the eyes also, just in the inner corner, I'm gonna add a little bit of, not inner corner, just starting point. I'm gonna add a little pink. Let's do the glitter, a little bit of highlighter here. I meant the shimmer. Just on this, the brow bone, and this way it just pops up more. Take a little bit of my contour powder. You can use any brand for the same. Add a little brown also, so it looks complete. So even if you don't have an eyeshadow palette, don't worry, you have a solution now. And let me just put the lashes on quickly. And before putting the lashes, I'm just gonna use the new pencil inside, so the eye looks much bigger. Putting on my lashes. Now to finalize this look, just gonna use the mascara. This is from Tarte. Do you see this perfect smoky eyes? Oh my god. So this is how you do the perfect smoky eyes. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this look? And what kind of eye makeup do you want to learn next? I'm waiting for your comments, and I'm going to read all of them.